So we were able to get it going now. All good there. I'll show you what it was. But we've got a misfire. We're gonna pull the plugs and see. Hopefully they're just fouled up to this overfueling. We'll check it out. Okay, now we got another problem here. We've got fuel pressure good enough at least. Well, we've got one problem dealt with, is the throttle response. It was all good. We drove the car in to do a little bit more work, and all of a sudden it stalled. Now it won't start, it cranks, so there's another speed bump. We'll let you know what's going on there. Gonna pull out the spark plugs. They're probably gonna be fouled up in fuel. We'll check that out right now. Well, there's part of the issue right there. We've got lots of fuel in there. That is the other one right there. Okay. Look at this, guys, full of fuel. So we're gonna clean them out right now, and gonna get to the bottom of why it is overfueling. Gonna check the MAF sensor, gonna check the O2 and the trims. Hey guys, here's an update on our exhaust. So we cannot get any fabricators to get our exhaust done. Everybody's busy. We can't really wait that long either. We kind of need the exhaust so we can go on a dyno. So we're gonna go ahead and do our own exhaust for now. Gonna have to run it differently, not just in the middle like that. At least we'll get that done, so we can send it to the dyno whenever we are ready for that. Okay, we clean them up. Okay, runs better, but it's still misfiring. Oh no. Okay, runs a lot better. Okay, maybe not. Okay, we're alive. Okay, we still got a miss. A lot better. That's a lot better. Okay, now we got progress. Maybe not. And no luck. Come on. Looks like the plugs are fouled up again. Car won't start now. It's overfueling like crazy. We're gonna go and figure out tomorrow what's going on and why that's happening. Whenever you're doing these kind of things, it's inevitable that you're gonna run into issues like that. So yeah, I'm sure we're gonna figure it out tomorrow or the day after, get it running properly, and continue the saga. New plugs are in. Let's give her another start. See how she's running. That is way better. Got some noises from the trend still, but this is we've got this weird noise coming and the car is smoking. Look at that. Oh man. Look at this. So we've had a pretty successful week. I didn't think we're gonna actually get this far. Update on the exhaust. We are gonna have to do it on our own for now. I think I've already mentioned it. The fabrication shop is a couple of months away, but we're still gonna get that fabbed. So this week we were able to get it running. Then it was smoking. We took care of the smoke, took it for a drive. Drives but bogs out, but it's looking really good. Drives pretty well as of now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week, and there's a little bonus video of my personal E34 M5. If you guys are interested, you can have a look at that. Thanks again. See you next week. Ha 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 ha!